Hi, I have this idea for a holder in order to do whiteboard animation, and the holder will be able to support a smartphone or a camera, so you can video record the whiteboard animation, and I'm going to show you how to build it in this video. So here's a drawing of the PVC pipes that are required to build this. So here's what the holder will look like. That will be the whiteboard. And these will be 1-inch PVC pipes. So there'll be there'll be 4 of these that stand vertically that are 36 inches tall. There'll be these 2 long pieces that are going to be obviously cut to fit this joint thing in the middle, this coupling, whatever it's called. And the 2 joint pieces are going to be 43 inches in length, 43 and 43, like this. So 43 inches and 43 inches. And then these couplings here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this coupling. Then there's going to be 4 pieces here for the bottom. So 36, 36, 24 inch, and 24 inch. And there's going to be, that's a 4. There's going to be 4 pieces for the vertical part. So PVC pipe parts that are required to build this holder for the whiteboard animation. So 4 of these, and this is for 1-inch PVC pipe. 4 of these, I think these are called elbow couplings or elbow joints, maybe. 4 of those. 1 of these. So this is obviously for that. And then the 4 of these. Okay. And then the vertical parts and the horizontal parts. We have 1, 2. I got 4. Back up there. I got 4 1-inch PVC pipes that are 10 feet tall. So I'm going to back up so you can see this, how tall it is. So 4 1-inch PVC pipes that are 10 feet tall. And then the other PVC parts, again, as this, that, and that. Not sure if this is going to work, but this is just kind of a makeshift. So the idea for this is to hold the cell phone, and the cell phone's camera will be facing that way, and leave it in the cover or take it off the cover. Place the cell phone here, and then place a bracket here. And the idea for this is to suspend this thing right here, holding the cell phone facing down, right at this thing, which it will be this. So the idea is to have this and have this holding that, suspended with the cell phone there. So this cell phone supported, and to have that right there, and then have the whiteboard there. These are some of the tools that will probably be needed for this. A saw, a square, safety glasses, measuring tape, level, a carpenter's pencil, a blade, to sharpen the carpenter's pencil, and some vice grips. That's it. So the cost of this PVC, and the 4 10-foot lengths PVC that are 1 inch. The cost of this is $45.84. That's $45.84 for the PVC. Bye.